Welcome to today's gardening tip. Ready to minter your garden knowledge? Let's kick things off with a scripture to set the tone. The earth is the Lord's and everything in it. Psalm 24:1. And remember, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Or in our case, to believe in minty fresh breath. All right, let's dive right in. No time to waste, the mint is calling. Today I'm answering a common question. Can mint grow in the shade? Spoiler alert, it's not afraid of the dark. And just how much sun does mint really need? Let's shed some light on this. Mint is one of those herbs that's a blessing for any garden. It's hardy, it's fragrant, and it's incredibly useful in the kitchen. Plus, it's the secret ingredient to mojito magic. But understanding its sunlight requirements can make or break your mint growing success. First off, let's talk about sunlight. Mint thrives best in a spot where it gets about 4-6 hours of direct sunlight per day. This ensures it grows lush and full, with that vibrant green color and robust flavor we all love. Think of it as mint's daily dose of vitamin D. However, mint is also quite adaptable. If your garden doesn't get much direct sunlight, don't worry. Mint can still grow in partial shade. It's like the superhero of herbs. In fact, in hotter climates, a bit of shade during the afternoon can actually protect your mint from scorching and help it retain moisture. Mint's version of SPF. Let's break it down a bit more. In full sun, mint will grow a bit more vigorously. The leaves will be slightly smaller, but the flavor will be concentrated and intense. Perfect for those who love that strong minty punch in their teas and dishes. Perfect for those who love that strong minty punch in their teas and dishes. In partial shade, the leaves tend to be larger and the growth a bit more spread out. The flavor might be a tad milder, but it's still wonderfully aromatic and delicious. Think of it as mint's chill mode. Now, how do you know if your mint is getting too much or too little sunlight? Here are some signs to watch for. 1. If the leaves start to look scorched, dry, or turn brown around the edges, your mint might be getting too much direct sunlight. Consider providing some afternoon shade or relocating the plant to a slightly shadier spot. Mint needs its beauty rest too. 1. If the stems become leggy and the leaves sparse, your mint might not be getting enough light. Try moving it to a sunnier location or even use grow lights if you're growing indoors. Mint loves a good spotlight. Remember, mint is also a thirsty plant. Whether it's in full sun or partial shade, keeping the soil consistently moist is key. Water it regularly, but ensure good drainage to avoid waterlogged roots. And a quick tip, mint can be quite invasive, spreading quickly through your garden. Consider planting it in a pot or a confined area to keep it under control. Mint's got a wild side. So can mint grow in the shade? Absolutely. While it loves the sun, it's versatile enough to thrive in less sunny spots with a bit of care. Mint's a real trooper. Happy gardening, and may your mint be ever lush and fragrant. And may your mojitos be ever refreshing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Until next time, keep your green thumbs working and your hearts content. And your mint plants happy.